Welcome back to our channel, mga kaibigan. Ngayon, pagkagaling namin ng China, andito naman tayo sa pupuntahan natin ang pinakamalaking tree dito sa Victoria, Australia. Ngayon, samahan nyo kami pupunta. At maglalakad daw po tayo ng 1.5 hours. Balikan na yon. Ayan. How many kilometers? 3.5 kilometers. Ang lalakarin natin, balikan. Tingnan natin.
Okay, China last week, big tree today. And Miss Jessica, si Miss Jessica kasama natin. Lakarin na natin. Okay, wombat. Oh, ang laki. Parang may tulog. May tulog dyan. Ayaw niya dumaan dito sa...
Not very comfortable.
Ngayon, ang dilim. Ang dilim namin dinadaanan, yes. Okay, go. Don't waste your time. Ang dilim, oh. Nasa alam kami ng tree fern. Wow, ito. Alam niyo ba guys, ang puno na yan ay 300 years old daw. Ngayon titingnan natin kung gaano siya kalaki. Kasi sabi nila, ito yung biggest tree dito sa Australia. Yan, tourist spot ito. Are you sure we are in the right track?
Yes.
Because I can't see any footprints here. No footprints.
There's no other options. This is it.
Only Jess's print.
Poor dog. What's he gonna do on the way back?
Cool, very cool here.
Yes.
I don't know how many degrees here. Ito ang kapaligiran, oh. Ayan, pataas ng kahoy.
Not 30, that's for sure.
Yeah. Oh, line a bird! Line a bird!
Yeah.
Yes, line a bird, darling.
Very quick.
Yes. Ayan, ang aming
Little
nakarang
bridge.
ganda
This is
naman.
right, this one.
Yeah.
Not so bad.
Where's the line of birds? Line a bird. Somewhere here, there. Yeah. Hiding.
Yes.
Yeah, somewhere there. Ang ganda guys ng tree, oh.
Crazy.
Yan, oh. Tinubuan na ng another. Yes.
Yeah, not the original.
And ang ganda ng daanan, oh. Tapos meron pang maliit na sapa, oh. Wow, the water is very clear.
And very cold.
Yes, very cold. Yes, you're right. Ito ang aming daanan. Ang ganda ng daanan naman, oh. Maganda doon.
What are you saying, Jessie? Did you see something?
Yes, our guard dog. It's not really guard.
What did you see?
It's not really guard dog.
No, not really.
Ayan. Ang ganda ng river, oh. Ayan. Sus, nakakaano pa lang tayo. Wala pa tayong 10 minutes na naglalakad. Itong tree daw na ito ay 100 years old. Ayan.
More than 100.
Yes! Tinubuan na siya ng mga fern sa baba. Dami ng fern. At ang kanyang mga ugat. Yan ang mga ugat. Meron tuloy tayong dadaanan, guys. Go, Jessie, go! Go, If you are not going, bad luck.
You can do it. Okay.
How about Jessie?
She's halfway.
Good. Go.
Go, girl. Go, girl.
Go.
Keep going.
Go.
Keep
Go.
going.
Go.
Keep going. Don't turn around.
Oh, shit.
Now, come on. Here. This way.
Here.
Jessie.
Come here.
Oh, go, girl. Go, girl. You're there. Now go down. Now go down. Come on. Good girl. You did it.
Walang joke yan.
Oh, didn't enjoy that. Let's put boots on you.
Tingnan niyo ang kapaligiran. Ang mga puno ng tree. May mga green na lumot ba yan?
Ayan guys, nakikita ko na. Ang napakalaki nga naman. Oh, ayan. Wow.
Show the sign, darling.
Wow.
Film the sign.
Yep.
The sign. Yeah.
Ada tree. Oh, ayan. Ada tree. At eto na. Makikita mo na.
Wow. That is a big tree.
Wow.
Car park.
My goodness. Very big. Ayan, ang laki. Maybe 10 people? 10 people? Oh, wow, look. Grabe. Wow, oh. Wow. At ito ang puno.
So you can cross that off your list now.
Yes.
It's healthy.
Grabe, ang taas pa niya. At napakalaki. Ito, narating na namin. Ada tree. Wow. Guys, ikutin natin. Ay, grabe, kalaki. Grabe. Kahit siguro 10 tao ito, hindi kayang yapusin. Mga 20 katao. 20 katao ang yayapos. Baka hindi pa kasya.
15 meters around.
Wow. O, ayan, 15 meters around daw. Grabe. Grabe. Grabe kalaki. Wow. O, ayan. Ayan, matatapos na natin ikutin. Ayan, ito na si Mr. Charlie.
15 meters around.
Wow. O, ayan, naikot na natin, guys. 1 minuto nating inikot. Grabe kalaki, oy. So, which is the close?
They're both the same.
1.8?
Oh, hang on. That one is 1.8.
Oh, and then this one?
Hang on, which way did we come?
This
we
one.
come to 1.8.
What? This is 1.8 also.
No, that's 1.5.
This one is 1.8. This one.
Darling, we came in from down
Yes, but this one is 1.8.
there. Further. 1.8.
Yeah, oh, this is 1.8.
Yes, further.
So where we come back?
We'll go the same way.
Some way, okay.
I think so.
Ayan. Nagbisita na natin. Doon daw kami dadaan sa dinaanan namin. Kasi mas malapit yun. 1.5 kilometers. 1 kilometer at kalahati.
So what's my step thing is saying?
I don't know. Oh, ayan. Iiwan na namin, guys, ang Ada tree. Tourist attraction din ito, guys. Oh, ayan. Turn to the car park. 1.5 kilometers. 1 kilometro at kalahati. At nauna na si Charlie at si Jessie. Ada tree. Okay?
You see the possums up there?
Yeah. Where?
Neither can I.
They said they have a possum. Maybe koala. Wow.
Maybe.
That is a very, very big tree.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
It's gonna make a noise when it
Grabe.
falls down.
Yes. Wow.
Maybe we'll hear it from Warragul.
Okay. You go. You go, go, go. Simulan na tayong lakad pabalik. Ha, ha, ha. Pa guys, nakita
Again,
namin napakalaking tree.
The top's broken out of that one too.
Yes, yes. Napakalaki.
Look at the height of him.
Yeah, similar. Very big.
Maybe
Okay, we go.
a few in the...
Ayan guys, malapit na kami sa tulay. Titingnan natin reaction ng ating si Jessie. Hirap na hirap siyang tumulay.
Good girl.
Go, Jessie, go!
Don't have a choice.
Oh.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Okay, go.
1/4.
Okay.
Good girl.
Okay.
1/2.
Okay, go.
1/2. Keep going. Good girl. Don't
Go.
stop. Good
Ang
girl.
aming alag. Takot na
dog.
takot.
Oh dear, we shouldn't laugh. Oh, you're nearly there. Not going to be bad as dog grooming on Monday.
Go.
You're nearly there. Good girl. Good girl. Look, look, the end is there.
Okay, go, go. Go.
Good girl. I'm behind you. You're nearly there. Nearly there. Nearly.
Ah, funny. Funny bunny. Hooray! Good girl.
Girl.
Good girl. We come back? We come back again?
No. Don't do that to me.
Ayan guys, may mga nakasalubong din kami mga tao. Kaya lang hindi na natin pinakita. Kasi karamihan sa kanila ayaw nila magpa-kita sa camera. Respect na lang sa kanila. Eto, at nakakapagod talaga maglakad. Eto na yung tree na dadaan natin kanina. Kasi si Charlie ayaw niyang dumaan sa kabila. Kasi mas malayo daw doon kaysa dito.
Downhill.
Oh, yeah, downhill. But you need to be very careful because some parts is slippery. Yeah, slippery and then some other parts is not. So you need to be very, very careful. What are you doing, Jessie? You going to pee? Huh? Are you going to pee?
No.
Whew.
Good good exercise for her today, and for you and for me.
Yeah.